Yo, yo, gather round, let me drop some wisdom about Python data types, no need for tension. From strings to booleans, integers too. I'll break it down so it sticks like glue. First up, numbers, they're the foundation. Two main stars, int and float, no hesitation. Integers a whole, no decimals in sight. Like 42 or -7, they're just right. Using for counting, loops and arrays. Math operations, they're your best plays. Advantage, fast, precise, memories lean. Disadvantage, can't handle fractions, keep that in mind. I mean floats come next with decimal points. For calculations where precision anoints. 3.4 or 0.001. Floating free, perfect for science, engineering, you see. But watch out, floats can get messy sometimes. Rounded errors creep in, not always prime. Still, they're essential when accuracy's key. Just know their quirks before you set them free. Data types, oh yeah, they run the game. Strings, lists, tuples, each one's got a name. Know their strengths, their weaknesses too. Master these tools, there's nothing you can't do. Next on the list we got strings, my friend. Textual data from beginning to end. Enclose them in quotes, single or double. Triple if multi-line, that's how we juggle. Concatenate with plus, slice with brackets. Immutable means once made, no retracts. Great for messages, names, file paths, and more. Versatile, flexible, what could you want more? Advantages, readable, easy to use. Built-in methods give you power to choose. But immutability has its cost. Every change creates a copy, performance lost. So remember this tip, optimize your flow. Use join instead of adding strings, slow. String formatting, F strings are king. Cleaner code, better vibes, that's the thing. Data types, oh yeah, they run the game. Strings, lists, tuples, each one's got a name. Know their strengths, their weaknesses too. Master these tools, there's nothing you can't do. Alright, now let's talk collections. Lists and tuples both serve different missions. Lists are mutable, dynamic as can be. Add, remove, modify, total flexibility. Store anything, int strings, even other lists. Indexing starts at 0, don't resist. Methods galore, append, pop, sort, extend. Lists are powerful, your coding best friend. But beware, mutability brings risk. Unintended changes might mess up your disk. Performance-wise, large lists can lag. Memory usage grows, so keep tabs on that. Tuples step in, immutable and fast. Once defined, contents forever last. Use them for fixed data, constants, pairs. Lightweight, efficient, less overhead flares. It's safe, predictable, secure. Disadvantage, no edits after creation, that's for sure. Choose wisely between the two. Depends on your needs, that's the clue. So remember, got that. No edits after creation, that's for sure. Choose wisely between the two. Depends on your needs, that's the clue.